Hello, my name is Stephen Hamilton and I'm board certified in criminal law by the Texas Board of Legal Specialization. I practice in Lubbock, Texas and the South Plains. Today's video clip is, you've been arrested for a DWI. What do you need to look for in an attorney? First thing that you need to look for is, what area of practice does he or she do? Is it a little bit of this and a little bit of that, a family law case, a will, a criminal case? Or are they focused on criminal law and DWI? What are their qualifications? You need to look past the diploma on the wall and the being licensed by the state of Texas. What other true qualifications do they have? Have they been through, for example, the field sobriety training? You know, when you're arrested, you did field sobriety test. You probably want a lawyer who has been through the same training that the police officer has, who has been through the issues of the walk and turn, the one-leg stand, some of the field sobriety tests that you did. Do you want a lawyer that, for example, has been trained on the breath test machine if you took a breath test in the state of Texas? You want a lawyer that maybe owns one of the same type of breath test machines that the state used against you, so that hopefully he or she knows what they're talking about when they're looking at issues with the breath test. You want a lawyer that understands, has been through training, blood test issues. In Texas, there are a couple of ways that your blood can be tested. Is this a hospital test, or is this what we call an evidentiary test on a machine called a gas chromatograph? If it's an evidentiary test, you want a lawyer who knows what a gas chromatograph is, who's been through that area of training. You certainly would want a lawyer that handles and has all of the training manuals that the police use, all the field sobriety training manuals, has them for cross-examination, and has the ability and the knowledge of what's in the actual videos. You might want a lawyer who, for example, has been through additional training and is specialized in criminal law, maybe by the Board of Specialization in Texas. Those are some areas that if you really want to defend the DWI, you want to look at. Every lawyer goes to law school. Every lawyer has to pass the bar. But not every lawyer is equal. If you have a DWI, you want someone whose practice and knowledge is focused in DWI. My name is Stephen Hamilton. My office phone number is 806-794-0394. If you have any questions, pick up the phone, call me today. Come in, talk to me. We can talk about what a good lawyer can do for you as far as the qualifications that they have. That's it for today's video tip. Have a great day.